Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I have my winter 2023 FabFitFun add-on selections to share with you guys today. This only comes 4 times a year when I can do these add-on videos. So I'm so excited to share with you guys the pieces that I have my eye on for this season's FabFitFun box. If you want to check out all the things that I'm eyeing, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thank you so much for watching this video. I am a full-time working mom, but in my spare time, I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, and reselling as well. So if those kind of things sounded all interesting, definitely check out my other videos, and please consider hitting that little subscribe button below. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching yet another video. Alright guys, so as you all know, I'm a huge fan of FabFitFun. This is the only subscription service that I'm currently a part of, and this video is in no way sponsored by FabFitFun. I purchased all of these items on my own, so hopefully in that way I can give you guys a pretty unbiased review of all the products that I receive and also the ones that I have my eye on. If you are new to FabFitFun and want to check out the service for yourself, definitely consider using my referral link in the description box below because it'll save you a little bit of money. So if you are an annual member like I am for many years now, I'm sure that you are already well aware that the add-on selections for the winter 2023 box have already opened. If you are not an annual member, no worries because your chance to add on products to your FabFitFun box will come in just a little bit. And as usual, I will put all of the relevant dates in the description box down below so you can reference them as well. So if you're not familiar with add-ons, add-ons are an opportunity to add on extra products to your seasonal FabFitFun box, and they ship together with your box with no additional shipping, at least in the continental US. So it's a great way to score some pretty good deals on products that you love from previous boxes, wanted to try from previous boxes, or ones that you know from other places. They offer a lot of really pretty well-known brands, items that I often shop anyway, even outside of FabFitFun. So I think it's a great opportunity to just kind of check out what deals you might be able to score, especially as we're heading into the holiday seasons. These types of things also make pretty good gifts, so I would say to just keep your eye out for things like that as well, especially this time of year. So as per usual, I'm going to share with you guys a little screenshot of the items that are currently in my cart for the add-on sale. I will pop them up next to me here so you can take a look at what the item is. And as usual as well, I always do not stick to this list. This is currently what's in my cart, but before the sale ends in a couple of days, I will be sure to weed out the items that I don't want. And I also inevitably add items that I had no idea I wanted previously. And a lot of my ultimate final selections really depend on what you all have to say as well. So I really value your feedback, and let me know what you think about some of these items. All right, I'm gonna move over to the side a little bit here so I can pop up some pictures. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. And I will say that the add-ons this season were a little bit underwhelming for me. I have some good ones that I'm about to show you, but overall, I mean, there weren't any real blockbusters, I'll say, but I'm excited to tell you guys what I actually am likely going to consider here. All right, so the first one is a pair of sunglasses. I talk about sunglasses almost every add-on FabFitFun video because they offer a nice selection. My favorites from FabFitFun are the Key Australia ones, and here's the one that I have my eye on for this season. It's called the Ever After M sunglasses. So these look just like classic black oversized glasses. This is my go-to look, I will say, besides the aviator look. And you know, I really love this just classic style. I think Key Australia makes excellent quality sunglasses for pretty decent price points, as you can see here. So I am thinking about this. So why I hesitate on this one though is that if you watch my channel, I like to shop luxury as well, like a lot of you do too. And I recently just got back from Vegas. I will have an unboxing for you guys shortly. But in that unboxing, spoiler alert, I did pick up a beautiful pair of sunglasses from Chanel, and they look a little bit like this. So I think I might have to pass, but for right now, it's in my cart, and definitely recommend this type of look and brand if you haven't tried it before. I will also say that in the add-on sale, I noticed a lot of designer sunglasses. So Gucci, Saint Laurent, they also had contemporary brands. I know I saw Michael Kors. So a lot of really nice sunglasses to pick from. if you want to go a little bit higher end as well. All right, to go along with new sunglasses, you need a sunglass case. And I've talked about a similar one that I picked up before from this brand. This is the My Tagalongs Cocoa Quilt Double Eyeglass Case. And I have one similar version in a bright pink, and I use that every single day. So what's nice about this is a double eyeglass case. There are two zipper sections. So I put my regular glasses in one and then my sunglasses in the other. And it prevents me from having to carry around big sunglass and eyeglass cases in my bags. So I just love how streamlined this is. This one in particular caught my eye. It just looks so adorable. I love the black quilting. There's no question about that. They have this cute little pink glass on the front, and it looks like a rose gold tone zipper too. So this aesthetic is definitely more me than my last one. So I think I may try to pick this up even just as a backup or to use in multiple bags. I think it would be super handy. So I really recommend this particular eyeglass case. Next up, I have some nail polishes. So I've tried this line before from FabFitFun. This is the Liqueur Trio, and it comes in seasonal colors, and the brand is London Town Ink. And I really love these polishes. The price point is excellent, as you can see here. You get, 3 polishes for essentially the price of one that you would get, in a store. So I think that it's a great value. Love these colors. And they wear pretty well, given how inexpensive they are. Really good quality, I would say. So definitely something that I would try out if you haven't already. And I just really, really love these beautiful colors. Next up is a little fun add-on that I put in my cart. I just really like the pattern here. This is the Merci & Co. Sailor Love Knit XO Slipper Socks. And it's hard to tell, but I believe there are grippers on the bottom, which are essential for slipper socks for me because I have hardwood floors. So I don't know, I was really drawn to the stripe pattern, not so much to the other ones that are being offered. So I just really particularly love the stripe pattern. So I probably will pick this up. I don't think it's a great value. I mean, it's $40 they're saying at MSRP for slipper socks, which seems a little high for me. But I may try to check it out. I just am a sucker for this color scheme. So that's something that I have in my cart as well. Next up, I have a journal from Alice and Olivia. And if you're a FabFitFun enthusiast like I am, you will clearly remember that this is the pattern or print from Alice and Olivia that I picked up last season in the fall 2023 FabFitFun box. They offered as their customization choice one this beautiful duffel travel bag from Alice and Olivia in these patterns. I did also add on in that video what they call pencil pouch in the same stripe pattern, but really it's more of a cosmetic shape and size type of bag, which is beautiful. So this season they added on as an offering this journal, and it's in the same print, so I do not need any more journals. There's no question about that, but I just love me a good matching set now and again. So I'm probably going to add this on just as a little matching piece to my collection. Next, I have an item from Invisibobbles, which I always talk about, but this time it's not the traditional Invisibobble. I'm probably going to pick up this clip. I love these just really easy claw clip kind of grab and go type of things for my hair, and I just like the neutral colors here. I can wear them with anything, so I thought it was a decent value, and I really wanted to try out this particular clip. I haven't tried it before from Invisibobbles, so that's another fun little piece to add. And then I just have a few more pieces here. The next I want your opinion on. This is from Stony Clover Lane. It's the classic small pouch. This is pretty iconic. I mean, you see it everywhere. Usually you see it with their patches on them where you can customize it. It says different phrases on them. This one I don't believe comes with patches, and that's why I hesitate a little. I think the price of the pouch itself is a pretty decent deal. So I'm tempted to try it, but I mean, the whole idea of these pouches, I think, is to customize them or have the patches on them, and it's kind of a bummer. So I don't know. I probably want to try out this line because I've heard such good things, and these colors are beautiful. But I either may just try it here without the patches, or I may just try to get it on their brand website or elsewhere to actually get ones with patches. So stay tuned. I will let you know what I decide to do with this, but I almost for sure I'm going to try out this line. If you own any of these products, comment below. Let me know what you think. Is it worthwhile? Do you think I should splurge on this? I mean, they also have a lot of dupes I know available on Amazon and other places. So Let me know what you guys think, but I just think this will be a versatile pouch. I love using pouches in my bigger bags, and I just love this grape color. But as you can see here, they also have this beautiful sky color that my oldest daughter just loves this color, and it's her favorite color. So I might check out 1 or 2 of these pouches, either in FabFitFun or other places. So I will let you guys know. And then one final item here for my add-on selections this season. It's this 5-piece luxury satin sleep set. So FabFitFun often offers silk type of items, pillowcases, eye masks, scrunchies, but this pack up I thought was just so cute, and what caught my eye obviously is the pattern here. It's just beautiful. I think my oldest daughter will love this, and she's going to be 9 soon, so she's in that pre-teen-ish type of age where she's trying to get away from more, unicorns and rainbows type of things, and more into a little bit teenager-y type of stuff. So I think this really helps transition that for her a little bit, because it's really a beautiful colorway. It reminds me of a unicorn type of a color, plus it's more of a tie-dye type of a look, which she loves. But it's definitely a big girl set, right, with the pieces that are in here as well. So I just thought this was gorgeous. I am almost for sure gonna pick this up and probably gift it to her. So I'm excited about that for sure. All right, so I think that's it. And as I mentioned before, not a whole lot of products, but I think they're good ones. And I'm excited to try some of these things out. I always get excited for the add-on sale because it's a way to pick up items that you can use for the upcoming season and just kind of get you excited. So I am excited to try these things out. So please comment down below. Let me know what you think of these items, and if you spotted anything that you think I would like in the add-on sale, please let me know. And also one final thing, a quick public service announcement. Do not forget to clean up your cart before your sale opportunity window ends. So if you're not familiar with FabFitFun, you do not need to check out for your add-on sale. What you do is you add your items into your cart, and when your sale period closes, again, check the description box down below for specific dates, they automatically bill you for what's in your cart. You do not check out. So this gets a little dangerous, because if you add on a bunch of stuff to your cart, like I obviously do, and you forget to weed through them and only leave the ones you really, really want, at the time of sale closing, you are buying whatever's in your cart. So it automatically gets billed. So just be careful and be wary of the dates below. Definitely stay tuned for a couple of FabFitFun videos that I have planned. One is coming up next, and that's my Customize With Me video, which I always love putting together. And the other one, obviously, will be my full, true unboxing with you guys, where I will share with you not only my customized products, but also the products that I ultimately decide to add on to this season's box as well. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.